Have you ever wondered why saving seems impossible? Today, we reveal the 5 shocking secrets that sabotage your finances. Get ready for an urgent transformation. Let's start with a thought. Why do so many Brazilians, even though they work hard, fail to save a single penny? This is a question that many avoid, but here, we're going to tackle it head-on. Think for a moment. How many times have you planned to save, but ended up spending on something impulsive? Don't feel bad. You're not alone in this. Over the next 40 minutes, we're going to dive deep into these secrets and give you practical tools to change this reality. So stick with me until the end. This journey will be worth every second. I am Stick, your financial guide. Millions of Brazilians struggle to save, and you're not alone. But the truth will surprise you and change everything. Let me tell you a story. I knew a friend who earned well but lived in the red. He told me, "Stick, I don't understand where the money goes." It made me think, is it just him? Research shows that more than 60% of Brazilians have no emergency reserve. Have you ever stopped to calculate how much you have saved? Today, we're going to explore why this happens and how to reverse it. Get ready for insights that could transform your financial life, but only if you act. Secret 1. The buy now culture dominates. Promotions and social media push you to spend, but ignore your future. Stop 24 hours before you buy. Test your will. Think about it. How many times have you seen an ad and thought, "I need that now"? This is a trap that big companies create. Let's analyze. Brazil is one of the countries with the highest use of social networks, and this bombards you with consumer stimuli. I've already fallen into this trap. I bought an expensive cell phone just because it was on sale. But then I realized I could have saved $500. The tip is simple. Before you buy, wait a day. If you still want it, assess whether it's worth it. Try it next week and see the difference. Secret 2. Without a plan, your money disappears. Brazilians live on improvisation, but a simple budget is the secret power. Use 50% for living, 30% for dreams, 20% for saving. Let's understand this better. Imagine your income as a cake. You cut 50% for basic bills, rent, food, transportation. Another 30% goes toward your dreams, a trip, a course. And the remaining 20%? That's your future. Many people think it's impossible, but start small. If you earn 2,000 reals, put away 400 reals a month. It may seem difficult for the first few months, but with discipline, it becomes a habit. Want an example? I knew someone who started with 50 reals a month and in 2 years had 1,200 reals. You can do it. Start today. Secret 3. Hidden debts sink you. Credit cards and secret installments steal your future. Reveal them now. Pay off high-interest debts first. Let's be serious. Have you ever stopped to look at how much interest you pay on your credit card? In Brazil, revolving interest rates can reach 300% per year. That's a silent thief. Do a test. Take your statements and add up everything you owe. Surprising, right? The strategy is simple. Attack the most expensive debts first. Pay the minimum on the others and focus on what hurts the most. A friend of mine zeroed out 5,000 reals in debt in a year this way. You can too. Start listing your debts now. Secret 4. Without knowledge, you fall behind. Financial education is the exclusive secret of the rich. Learn it now. Watch one video a week about money. Think about it. How did you learn to deal with money? At school, almost nothing, right? That leaves a gap that the rich exploit. Study a little every week. 10 minutes will help. Watch videos, read an article, or even write down your expenses. I knew someone who started like this, and within 6 months, he already knew how to invest. The power is in the knowledge, and it's free. Choose one topic a week, such as budgeting or investing, and grow little by little. Secret 5. Fear of investing holds back your growth. Brazilians avoid risks, but small steps will take you to the top. Start with 50 reals in a simple fund. Many are afraid of losing out, but standing still is the biggest risk. Investing isn't just for the rich. Start small. An investment fund or even a savings account can be the start.
I knew someone who started with 50 reals and within a year had 600 reals with interest. The secret is to start and learn along the way. These 5 secrets can change your financial life. Apply them today and transform your future. Subscribe, activate the bell, and comment which secret impacted you the most.